How to Create a Cloud AI Account 2026 Full Guide. Want to start using Cloud AI but don't have an account yet? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your Cloud account step by step so you can get started in minutes. Let's get into it. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and go to the official website of Cloud AI. Make sure you're on the correct website to keep your account safe and secure. Once you're on the home page, click or tap on the Sign Up or Get Started button. This will take you to the account creation page. Now you'll see multiple sign-up options. You can create your account using Google account, Apple ID, or your email address. Using Google or Apple is the fastest option because it skips passwords setup. If you choose email, enter your email address and continue. Cloud may either ask you to create a password or send a magic link to your email. If you receive a magic link, open your inbox and find the email from Anthropic. Tap the link inside, and your account will be automatically created and verified. Next, you may be asked to complete basic setup like your name, accepting terms and conditions. Once done, you'll be taken directly into your Cloud dashboard. If you're on mobile, you can also download the Cloud app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up directly from there using the same steps. Pro tip: stick to one sign-up method, Google, Apple, or email, and always use the same one when logging in to avoid confusion or duplicate accounts. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Cloud AI account in 2026 quickly and besthula. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What are you planning to use Cloud for?